How to delete Uber Eats account permanently. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, go ahead and open the Uber Eats app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the app. Now make sure that you have signed into your account. Now tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to scroll down and tap on the help option. Once you're here, tap on accounts and payment option. Then you want to tap on account settings. Now you have the option of I need help deleting my Uber Eats account. Tap on that. Here you have a blue link that says delete my Uber account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it's going to open up on a web browser. Now you can enter your phone number or email over here and tap on the continue option, or if you signed up using your Google account or Apple account, you can simply tap on any one of them. I'm going to tap on continue with Google and then sign in using my Google account. Tap on the continue option for that. Now here it says all of these accounts will be deleted, including your Uber Ride account and your Uber Eats account. If you want that, tap on the continue option. Now you will have to select a reason as to why you want to delete your account. Then tap on delete account option. If you change your mind, you can restore your account within 30 days by signing into your Uber account. If you do not do that, then your account will be permanently deleted. Once you tap on the delete account option, here it says your account deletion request is successful. And this is how you can delete your Uber Eats account permanently. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.